Good morning, everyone. This is Rev Dr AmberMarie Irving-Elkins. Sorry, I'm not all dressed up and cute. I keep getting these things just in my spirit, on my heart, first thing in the morning, and I just have to say what I need to say. I want to talk about the pharmaceutical industry and the medical establishment. Now, I know that there are so many doctors and nurses and nurse practitioners and our medical establishment, a lot of people who really want to help people, that are really doing their best. And I thank God for you. Our country wouldn't be where it is during this COVID crisis if it weren't for all of you people who are serving us, sometimes and often to your own detriment. So I do thank you for that. And I do not want you to feel like I am speaking to you. I'm not. This is one of those situations. Have you ever heard the saying, if you throw a rock into a pack of dogs, the one that cried out is the one that got hit? This is one of those situations. So if the shoe does not fit, please don't try to wear it. I'm going to start with the pharmaceutical industry. The pharmaceutical industry is an industry that benefits from sickness, from illness. The pharmaceutical industry is not trying to cure people of anything. The best thing to do if you want to keep making money off of someone who's sick, be it sick with cancer, sick with diabetes, sick with COVID, sick with anything, is to give them something that doesn't make them healed and completely better. However, it could string them along, let them live longer, but keep whatever chronic condition that they're currently suffering from. So, if you have an industry which benefits from people not getting completely better, but needing to keep utilizing their product again and again, because that's the way that you make your money. What makes you think that these very corporations are going to create a vaccination that cures or prohibits? Sorry, vaccinations don't cure. Vaccinations prohibit. So let me rephrase that. What makes you think that an industry that benefits from illness, and that even though it's been quite proven that there's many things that can be cured and people have been cured of it, but not through the typical pharmaceutical route, by using alternative methods, these corporations can cure plenty of things. We've got researchers, there's brilliant people. And I'm sure some of you are out there, and I would love if you were to contact me and talk to me. People that might have worked for these very corporations, that might have stumbled upon cures and fail safes and things to truly make people healthier and better. And oftentimes those very people are fired, or they are ridiculed when they speak out against whatever company or organization that's not actually working for the benefit of the people. These people are made to feel less than, and their whole career snatched from underneath them. Because guess what? That's what the big dogs do when you mess with their money. So, I'm not some huge conspiracy theorist. I know that just like most things when it comes to business, when it comes to industry, there's a lot that will not be discussed. There's a reason for the NDA. There's a reason for gag orders. There's a reason for all that. It's because there's somebody who's not benefiting from that information getting out. So how can I, as an intelligent, proud African American, a Black woman, have the utmost confidence in an industry that flourishes when we fail, when our bodies fail, when we're not completely cured? If you could cure a 35-year-old cancer patient in less than a year, and they can go back to their regular, wonderful life, or give them something, chemotherapy or something that helps them live longer, maybe even 10, 20, 30 years, but where they have to keep on using that product in order to feel a bit better. These pharmaceutical companies, which choice do you think that they would choose? If you look at our world, which choice have they chosen? You can do your own research. But what makes you think that they care enough to completely eradicate anything that they're making money off of? And if you don't think they're making money off the COVID vaccine, off this vaccination, you got another thing coming. And if you don't think that there's not just industries, there's plenty of people who are willing to, at the detriment of, the majority of the world, go ahead and either put something out there, or once it gets out there, make sure that, hey, we can't wipe this off. This is a moneymaker. Why do you think war is so popular? You've got people who sell arms to both sides of the same war, because either way they're making money. And they're laughing all the way to the bank. I can keep on talking, and I'm kind of more one of those, the shortest sweet kind of situation. I'd rather not say too much. But I'm just going to ask Americans, people worldwide, to think. All these countries that are coming out with all these vaccination mandates, when the vaccinations are not keeping people from getting COVID, the vaccinations are not keeping people from dying. They're not. So what are they doing? What are they doing? Have a blessed day.